Chico Traders is a registered supplier of plastic goods. Plastic goods he is regarding. Okay. On 10th April, Chico Traders 23 received an order from Nilo Traders for supply of consignment of plastic goods. They want to supply plastic goods, they received an order. Chico Traders get a consignment ready by 10th April. Okay. The invoice of the consignment was issued in 15th April. Okay. Nilo traders collect the consignment from the good on 25th April. Okay. Handover of the check towards payment of the same day. 25th we received the payment. Said payment is entered into the books of account 26 next day. The amount is collected in the bank in 27. Okay. Determine the time of supply in plastic goods supplied by Chukku traders and Nilo traders as per the provision of CGST Act 2017. First, what is it? It is goods or service. It's a goods. Whether this is taxable or non-taxable, it is a taxable supply. So when it is comes under the regime of GST, it comes under the regime of GST. So what date we receive the order? What do we think before doing, sir? Invoice date or payment date, whichever is earlier. So payment receive on 26th. Invoice receive on 25th. Books of account 26 now, product in 26. But the act was done in 25th. Risk is transferred on 24th. So service completed at 25th April. Then, but the amount was received on 27th April, whichever is earlier. So even though we have order, we have ready the consignments, invoice of consignment was next day, 20th April, they received sent the invoice. But they received payment on 26th only. But the work was complete on 25th only. So which is the 15, 25, 26, which is the date you should take. On the bank account, you received only in 27. So four different cases are there. You will see. So registered person excluding composition supply to pay GST on the outward supply of goods and time of supply as per section 12 to subsection 2 clause A of CGST Act. That is the date of issue of invoice of the lease date on which invoice ought to have been issued in terms of section 31A. Very good. As of the section 31, the invoice in this case of supply need to be issued either before or at the time of removal of delivery. So before delivery, you can issue or at the time of delivery, they should receive an invoice. Very good. So in this case, invoice is issued before the removal of goods in 15 days issued and within the time limit prescribed as per section 31(1). Therefore, the time of supply and the date of issue of invoice is 16th April. So 16th April, 15th April, but they receive in 16th April. 15th April. Why 15th April they are saying? In this question, date of issue of invoice read as 16th April. It can also be answered by taking date of invoice given question 15th April. In this case, time of supply will be 15th April or something. So in this question, in this case is only 15th April. So which day 15th April will be considered as a date of supply of service invoice date. Even though we receive the goods in 25 and we receive the payment by 27, check was received in 26. All this case we consider the date we should take is 15th April 2023.